Over the last few years, we've seen microbreweries popping up all over WA, serving up some amazing, award-winning craft beer. And today, we've come to a little piece of rural heaven 40 minutes south of Perth. King Road Brewing, home of award-winning beers such as King Road IPA, which won Beer of the Year in 2022, and King Road Lager, which won Best Australian Style Lager in that same year, was set up by Dale Walker 6 years ago. Dale has been brewing for around 10 years and started out making his own cider, sharing it with family, friends, and the local neighbourhood. Let's have a chat to Wyatt, who's been the venue manager here for the last 3 years. Wyatt, this place is unbelievable. What do you love about it so much?
There's so much that I love about this place. The first thing was just the first time I came down here. I was driving through cow paddocks and there's farmland, and I just felt like I was in the middle of nowhere. But we're just like 20 minutes from Rockingham, 35 minutes from Fremantle. So it's a little slice of the bush in the middle of suburbia. At its core is a family-friendly venue. It started with family. The owners all getting together, making ciders. From there, they decided to start a venue, and they all made this place with their hands. They all have families of their own, and so they've made everything here to just be for the kids and for their families. We've got a massive playground. We've got a massive back paddock for the kids. On Friday nights in the cooler months, we do a bonfire, and that, at its core, is what we're about, is the family. And I'm a beer guy, and our beers are just spectacular.
So you really do have it all here. You've got fantastic beer, live entertainment, but now I've heard you've got a pretty good food program as well.
Yeah, we smash out amazing food. One thing that the chef really loves to do is use the beers that he has at his disposal. So we've got a beef and stout pie. We use the IPA in our onion jam, and they are a well-oiled machine. They pump out huge volumes, but they keep that caliber up here.
Cheers, mate. What an amazing family venue. I can't wait to get these back to my kitchen and start experimenting.